Welcome to the Deep Dive, where we plunge headfirst into the most intriguing questions and emerge with clarity and hopefully a few genuine aha moments. Today, we're tackling a question that's been sparking a lot of curiosity, especially for those of you navigating that fascinating intersection of renewable energy and digital finance. Is off-grid, daytime-only Bitcoin mining actually profitable? And if so, how many miners would you really need to make it work at scale? This isn't just theoretical speculation either. What we're diving into today comes directly from insights, derived from real-world pilot testing data, which we then scaled up to analyze the potential of a full-blown industrial-scale operation. It's a compelling look at how efficiency, automation, and smart planning can really unlock new frontiers. Over the next half hour or so, we're going to cover quite a bit. The nitty-gritty of the hardware, the complex automation that really brings an off-grid operation to life, the strategic deployment of power inverters for larger systems, and a truly, well, counterintuitive idea about why throwing more cheap miners at the wall might actually be the secret sauce here. And of course, we'll dive deep into the crucial break-even analysis for both the initial small pilot setup and the massive megawatt scale farm. So, what does this all mean for you? Well, it might just redefine how you think about energy, investment, and the future of digital assets. Okay, let's unpack this.
That's right. And when we talk about off-grid, daytime-only Bitcoin mining, we're really looking at a pretty novel approach to a very energy-intensive process. Traditionally, Bitcoin mining, it just relies on constant 24/7 grid power, right? But here we're exploring a paradigm where it's powered exclusively by intermittent renewables, specifically solar. The obvious challenge, as you said, the sun doesn't shine 24/7. But the immense opportunity lies in leveraging what can essentially become, free electrons during peak solar production hours. So this deep dive is really for anyone curious about sustainable energy solutions in complex tech applications, or maybe for those exploring alternative investment strategies that might seem a bit unconventional at first, or even for seasoned miners looking for new economic models. It's a journey into understanding how these unique constraints can lead to some remarkably innovative and, as we'll see, potentially quite profitable solutions.
I find that idea, turning an intermittent source like solar into reliable power for something as demanding as Bitcoin mining, just fascinating. So let's start right at the beginning, at the foundation.